Most auto injury cases in Indiana are actually not worth hiring a lawyer for. And honestly, that's good news for you. Everyone sees these billboards promising millions, but today I'm going to tell you exactly when you should probably handle the claim yourself and keep the lawyer out of it. Hi, I'm Mark Lopez. I've handled thousands of cases across the great state of Indiana. My job is not just to win cases, it's to maximize the amount of money in my clients' pockets. Sometimes the best way to do that is by not letting them hire me. Here are the red flags where you may not need an attorney for your injury case. Number one, minor impact and no treatment. First, the fender bender with no immediate pain. If there's only a scratch on your bumper and you didn't go to the ER or the emergency room within the first 3 days or so, an Indiana jury is unlikely to award significant damages. Always exceptions, but literally a scratch on the bumper, no treatment, you probably don't need to hire an attorney. Number two, if you caused the accident or you are mostly responsible for the accident, Indiana has what's called a modified comparative fault. It's a fancy way of saying if you are more than 50% at fault for creating the accident, well, then you can't recover. So if you're speeding or the police report is inconclusive or there are no witnesses to back you up, the risk is often too high for an attorney to get involved. If it's truly a he said, she said with no clear evidence the other person was at least 51% responsible, a lawyer can't magically change those facts. Pursuing a 50-50 case often costs more in expert fees and filing costs than the case is actually worth. So if you only have property damage, if you are mostly responsible for the car crash, well, probably don't need to get an attorney involved. Now, there are always exceptions, and I encourage you to give us a call if you want to talk about those exceptions, even if it looks like maybe you caused some fault, but you were seriously injured, or you stayed on top of your treatment after you started slow on treatment. Well, then you know what? Give us a call. We will love to talk to you about your situation. If you're not sure if you need an attorney, give us a call. We'll talk to you about your options. If you have any questions, give us a call, 317-632-3642. Remember, the insurance company is not your friend, but I can be. Give us a call.